Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll be diving into Trello, a powerful and easy-to-use tool for organizing tasks, projects, and teams. Whether you're managing a personal to-do list or collaborating with a team on a big project, Trello can help you stay organized and on track. First, let's talk about what Trello is. Trello is a visual collaboration tool that allows you to organize projects using boards, lists, and cards. It's simple, intuitive, and flexible, making it perfect for both personal and professional use. Now let's take a quick look at Trello's interface. At the highest level, you have boards. A board is like a workspace where you can organize all your tasks and projects. You can create as many boards as you need, and each board can represent a project or a specific area of your life. For example, you might have a board for work, one for personal tasks, and another for your hobbies. Within each board, you have lists. Lists are the columns on your board where you organize your tasks. Think of lists like categories or stages in your project. A common way to organize them is by using stages like waiting, in progress, and completed. But you can customize these lists however you like to fit your workflow. Now, the heart of Trello is cards. Cards are the individual tasks or items that you need to complete. You can add a card to any list and include detailed information such as descriptions, checklists, due dates, and attachments. You can even assign cards to team members if you're working with others. Each card is fully customizable. You can add comments, attach files from your computer or cloud services, and use labels to categorize your tasks. Cards can be moved between lists easily, making it simple to track progress as you move from one stage of a project to another. And that's it. Trello's combination of boards, lists, and cards provides a flexible and visual way to organize your work. Whether you're working alone or as part of a team, Trello helps you keep track of everything in one place.